సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా డారర్ఖేడ్లోని నియో ప్రగతి ఉన్నత పాఠశాల ఆధ్వర్యంలో జాతీయ సైన్స్ దినోత్సవాన్ని ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు.
Protein can synthesize and it choose any cells and it sends shares proteins to the other cells. Then it is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. Cellular respiration is occur in mitochondria. It contains its own DNA. It is vacuole. Vacuole is a suicidal bag of cell. It contains digestive enzymes which when cells have any problem, this digestive enzymes releases and cells get digested.
It is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a protecting layer of the cell. It gives protection to cell and it is have another name. It is called plasma membrane.
In our surroundings, we see the leaves of trees. It contains chlorophyll pigment. So we see the leaves in green color. High School. We are studying in 9th standard. I am Ramcharan.
I am Yuvraj.
I am Srikanth.
We have done some projects behalf of National Science Day.
Firstly, it is an animal cell. Animal cell is a structural and functional unit of our life. Animal cell contains a nucleus, which is the functional and control room of the cell. It has some cell organelles. The cell organelles are firstly Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was discovered by first Camillo Golgi in 1885. The work of the Golgi apparatus is to storage and packaging, and it sends the proteins to the different parts of the cells and another cell. Next. Now, another one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum have glandular-like structures called ribosome. Ribosome synthesizes the proteins. Next, another one is lysosome. Lysosome is also called as suicidal bag of cell because lysosome destructs the digestive enzymes and kills the danger. Next, another one is lysosome. Lysosome is also called as suicidal bag of cell. It contains the digestive enzymes. It digests the waste material of the cell. Next, it is chloroplast. Chloroplast is a part of the plastics. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll pigment, which is in green color. So we see in our surrounding leaves are in green color. Next, the last cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of cell because it processes the cellular respiration. The size of the mitochondria in long is 2 to 8 microns and it is 0.5 microns wide. Next, it is a nerve cell. Nerve cell is the longest cell in human beings. The main part of the nerve cell is dendrite. Dendrites connect with another nerve cell to form a segments, and nerve cell is main function is to give the message to the blood tank.
This is a DNA. DNA means ribonucleic acid. This is a segment of the nucleic acid. Is called a DNA. DNA is present in a nucleus in every cell. And DNA shape is a helix shape. DNA controls.
What doing you?
DNA is a double helix structure and it is controls the expression of the traits and characters. In some time RNA also controls the expression of the characters. DNA replicates during the cell division, and cell division is also two types, that is mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis divides into 4 daughter cells and meiosis divides into 2 daughter cells.
Mitosis too.
And in mitosis parent cells are divided into 2 daughter cells. In meiosis parent cells are divided into 4 types. And this is the fusion of male gamete and female gamete. While fusion of gamete, the embryo will form. This is a human embryo. After grow the human embryo, the baby will forms from the 1 month to 9th month. This is 1 month, 2nd month, 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month, 6th month, 7th month, 8th month, 9th month. These all 9 months is called a gestation period. This is a fusion of male gamete and female gamete. This is a human gamete and this is a female gamete. While mating, the sperm and ovum forms the embryo. This is a human embryo. After forming the human embryo, baby starts up to 1 month to 9 months. It is called as gestation period.
Good morning everyone. Now I am explaining few words about the ecosystem. I am explaining about the ecosystem. Ecosystem are of two types: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. And terrestrial ecosystem are three types. They are forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and land ecosystem, grass ecosystem. First we are discuss about forest ecosystem. In forest ecosystem, two factors are there: biotic and abiotic factors. Here the abiotic factors are natural resources.
Go.
Here the consumers are animals and producers are plants. Here the endemic species is cobra. And now we are discussing about desert ecosystem. Here desert ecosystem. Here the
Go.
Now we are going to discuss about desert ecosystem. Here the desert is filled with sand. Here the producers are camel, and camel is also called as ship of the desert.
Producer camel kadra. Go.
Here the producer is camel and consumer.
Go.
Here the consumer are camels and producers are cactus. Here decomposer is thermophilic fungi. Here the camel is also called as ship of the desert. Here the venomable animals are living here like Russell's viper and scorpion. Now we are discussing about grassland ecosystem. Here the grassland ecosystem is filled with grass, and here so many animals are living like tiger, elephant, giraffe, and etc. Now I am telling about second one, that is aquatic ecosystem. Here in aquatic ecosystem all living things, the water. Now we are discussing about aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem are of two types. They are marine and fresh. Here the consumers are fishes and producers are plants. Example Spirogia.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Raju, like, share and subscribe to Saira TV.